Hey everyone, it's Nick here at the car clinic. Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to replace your windshield wiper blades on your vehicle. A lot of people think their windshield wipers are fine when in reality they're in desperate need of replacement. There are several ways you can spot worn wiper blades. If they're skipping, leaving streaks, making a squeaking noise, or leaving patches untouched on your windshield, it's time to change your blades. So to remove the wiper blade, obviously, raise the arm, remove or press out on the small retaining tab. Each vehicle is different. There's several different styles of arms. Good rule of thumb, place the arm back on the windshield so it don't slip out of your hand, smack your glass, and end up causing you a new replacement. To install, you will go down past the hook or whatever type that you may have, line up and pull until you hear the audible click. Reassure that it's attached securely and place back on the windshield. Finally, after installation, go ahead and test them to make sure that they are attached properly and not going to fly off on you on the highway. Here at Car Clinic, your safety is our top priority. If you have any issues with replacement, not able to get the arm off, bring it into us. We'll be more than happy to replace your blades for you. We want to make sure that you can see where you're going down the road at all times.